Hey there! So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this rainbow headband. I bought this already dyed wool roving from a yarn store and I spun it up with my drop spindle. So let's get started. I actually originally recorded this last year and then I came back to this project and finished it. I'm really glad that I did. First I arranged all the colors in order and then I like to split them in half so that I get double the amount of yarn and it's thinner. And then I'm just going to start the first part of the red wool and I'm going to go through each of the colors. I really don't know what it is about rainbows, but they just fascinate me. Just the way that the colors work so well together, it's just really satisfying and beautiful. And if you've ever seen like either a double rainbow or a rainbow out in nature, it is just the most beautiful phenomenon ever. I originally learned how to spin with this drop spindle 2 years ago now. It was a very informal lesson and I don't even remember like all the proper terminology. I really should do some research into this, but honestly, to me, it's just an artwork. I just do it for the fun of it. I just do it for myself so that I can make yarn that I like. On June 26th, I started Tour de Fleece. I joined a group of spinners who are spinning every single day during Tour de France. I honestly feel like kind of a fish out of water because I don't know a lot of the terminology. I don't know how to do some of the amazing like spinning work that they're doing, but it's a really great experience. If you're a spinner, you should join up. It's only a few days in now, and I've learned a lot already. So just putting it out there, I'm on team Mohair for the Dame 2021. You should definitely check it out on Ravelry. They also have a Discord, and we just chat and post pictures, and there was some really amazing work done so far, so definitely check it out. I have died and gone to heaven. This is beautiful. Moving on to making the headband. First, I got my yarn and then I picked out the right size for my knitting needles. I bought this case at a secondhand store and it's honestly the best investment I've ever made because it keeps all my knitting needles organized and I could keep them in order of size. Anyway, so I picked out the size US 10 or 6 millimeter. And this is the pattern I'm going to be using. I'll link that down below. First, we're going to cast on 14 stitches for the smaller size that is narrow. There's a wider size that covers more of your head. I didn't have enough yarn for that. And then we're just going to knit the first row. And then purl the second row. And if you are a beginner knitter, I will link some helpful websites down below on how to get started. Going on to row 3, you should start by knitting 1, slipping 3 stitches onto a cable needle and then leaving those in front. And then we're going to knit 3 and then put those stitches on the cable needle back onto your left needle, knit those, and then knit all the way to the end. So knitting 6 and then ending with a knit 1. So effectively you've just done your first cable. And then you're going to purl the next row. Knit the row after that. Purl the next row after that. Row 7 is going to be knit 1, knit 6, and then slip 3 stitches onto the cable needle and then leave those in the back. Then you're going to knit 3, and then knit those 3 from the cable needle, putting them back onto your left needle and then knitting them onto your right needle. And then you're going to end with a knit 1. And then purl the next row. Then you're just going to repeat that until you've got the length that you would like that's going to fit onto either your head or whoever you're knitting this for, so that you can join the ends and it's going to fit properly. Using a yarn needle, I'm going to sew in the ends and I'm going to join the 2 ends with a mattress stitch. The 2 ends on mine didn't really line up because the size of yarn varies when I do my hand spinning, but I just made it work, and then you end up with this loop, and there's your headband. I really like this pattern. Actually, it was cable knit and the colors are very vibrant. I also like the fact that for winter, this covers my ears, but it's not as warm as wearing a toque. So if it's a warmer day out, then I can wear that when I'm walking. I listen to music, I can wear my headphones underneath, and it's not super restrictive. If you want to see more pictures of this, you can check out my Instagram. I'll link that down below. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe or leave a like. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Or is this what you were looking for?